Hello everybody from Plant Reviews. Today is the 19th of April and I'm talking now about Narcissus cross intermedius. This is a quite small daffodil. Is probably about 25 centimeters, I would say more 20 than 25 centimeters tall, with leaves a little bit taller than the flower, so the presentation is not great because really you have to look in between the leaves to find the flowers. It's a pity because the flowers are actually very nicely fragrant, citrusy, very nice. And this is hybrid, is actually a primary hybrid in the division 13 of the daffodil classification, the garden daffodil classification, that includes species and wild varieties. This is an intersectional hybrid because Jonquillas and Tazettas are different sections of the classification. Unfortunately, this daffodil is usually sterile, and the origin of the name is because it's of intermediate color, form, air, habit, and it has yellow tepals and yellow or white cap. This is the information I found on daffseek.org. To me, really, I don't see much of intermediate character. Well, kind of, because the leaves are not really lush-like as in Jonquilla, and also it has like 3 flowers per stem, so several flowers per stem. Usually Jonquillas have 1 or 2 flowers per stem, usually, and the plant anyway is a lot smaller than I would expect for a Tazetta hybrid. Anyway, it is the fragrance is actually, well, I have to say the fragrance probably took the best of both, because it's floral and citrusy, so really nice. It's a pity that unfortunately, according to what I see in Daffseek, this hybrid is sterile, but if you like fragrance, this is definitely a daffodil I can recommend. And also the flowers are very bright yellow, both on the tepals and on the cap, so a beautiful flower for the color as well. Unfortunately, as I said, the presentation is not great. I can show you when I put the pot on the ground, you really I mean, the flowers are a bit covered by the leaves, so it's something that anyway I suppose I can forgive to this daffodil, because I like so much the fragrance as well as the very nice flower shape and color. As usual, I hope that you enjoyed the video. Thank you very much for watching, and if you like this video, would be great if you can please give a thumbs up, and if you like this video and my other videos on my channel, would be great if you can please subscribe. In this way it's completely free for you, but you support me making YouTube acknowledged that you and other people like my videos. I will put information on how I cultivate this daffodil and my other daffodils in the description below. Anyway, if you need any other information, please write it down in the comments and I will be more than happy to answer you. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.